In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a Smartsheet license. Now, if you've ever tried to perform a licensed action within Smartsheet, such as creating a new sheet, you might have encountered a scenario where you're prompted for a license. This is designed to manage and streamline access, ensuring that all users who need elevated permissions can request them in a simple and efficient manner. So, let's dive into the process. Imagine you're working on a project, and you've reached the point where creating a new sheet is essential to keep everything organized. However, because this action requires a license, instead of proceeding directly, you notice a message indicating that you need one. But don't worry, Smartsheet makes it very straightforward to submit your request for this license. You'll find a Request License button conveniently placed right alongside the message. Clicking on this button will automatically submit your request directly to the system administrators. It's important to remember that you don't need to do anything extra here. Just a simple click is sufficient to set the ball rolling. Now, once you've submitted your request, it enters into the system where the administrators are notified about it. They will see this request in their admin center under the License Requests section. From there, it's their responsibility to either approve or decline your request based on the organization's policies or current licensing strategy. It's worth noting that while this process is quick, the time it takes to get a response might vary depending on how your organization handles such requests and the availability of the administrators to act on them. If you're in a hurry or working on a time-sensitive project, it might be helpful to gently remind them about your request or check in to ensure it's being processed. A little tip for those who frequently need to create new sheets or perform other licensed actions. It's a good idea to communicate with your system administrators proactively. Let them know about the nature of your projects and the likelihood of needing licenses in the future. By doing so, you can potentially help streamline the approval process for yourself and possibly others in your team. And there you have it, a quick and seamless way to request a Smartsheet license. It's all about utilizing the tools available to you and maintaining good communication with your system administrators. This ensures that you can continue your work with minimal interruption and maximum efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy Smartsheeting.